It is Samsung.
Perfect. Compare Samsung with your phone. Talking about expensive.
Okay. The Samsung is more expensive than my cell phone.
Sounds fantastic. More versus most. Memory, yes, sir?
Of course.
Okay, of course. Okay. Tell me, Val, what is the top number one fast car in the in the world?
The top of what, teacher?
The top number one fast
Fast?
car in the world, correct.
The audio. How do you say se cortó?
Oh, cut.
The audio cut.
Really? I repeat. What is the top number one fast car?
The top number one fast
car.
Fast what?
Car. Car.
Okay. The most fast. No. The faster.
Incorrect.
The fast.
The top number one.
The fastest car is, I don't know, Lamborghini. I don't know.
Lamborghini, for example.
For
Perfect.
example.
Excellent. Compare Lamborghini with your family's car.
The Lamborghini is more, no. The Lamborghini is faster than my family's car.
Excellent, lady. You are understanding. Oh, yes. Next. Karen. What is the top number one interesting book for you?
Sorry again.
The top number one interesting book.
Book. The most interesting book of my life is the psychoanalyst. How do you say in English?
It's Psychoanalyst, I think.
Psychoanalysis by John Katzenbach.
Okay, very good. Psychoanalyst. Let me check. Psychoanalyst. Look at this.
Psychoanalyst.
Psychoanalyst.
Exactly. The psychoanalyst. Repeat.
The most interesting book in my life is The Psychoanalyst by John Katzenbach.
Revision. The what?
Sorry. The most interesting book in my life is The psychoanalyst,
The what?
psychoanalyst,
Psycho.
psychoanalyst,
Psychoanalyst.
psychoanalyst
Uh-huh.
by John Katzenbach.
Sounds good. Compare the psychoanalyst with Cubolecon.
With, sorry,
Cubolecon.
Igualecón? What is that?
You don't know the Cubolecon? Really?
No,
In that case, really?
no.
Okay. Jordi Rosado and Gaby, no?
Ah, yes, Jordi Rosada, but I don't know.
Yeah. Well,
Wait.
of course, the impossible in English, but don't worry. Compares the psychoanalyst with another book, whatever book you know.
Okay. Um, em, por compare? Yes. Okay. The psychoanalyst is more interesting than ¿por qué los hombres aman a las cabronas? Así se llama el libro.
No, I disagree.
Yeah.
Yes, no. My favorite book. My
Ah,
favorite. No. It's a joke. It's a joke. Very good, Milady. Excellent. Good job. Next, make an example. Jessica, with the top number one long movie you have seen in your life. The top number one long movie you have seen in your life.
Yes, I don't remember. I don't remember, but remember. But the last one longer movie than I see. So
Are you comparing two, or are you talking about the number one?
I don't remember what movie is the more longer? No, the longer?
Okay. Anyway, if you don't remember, your example is perfect, but you need to establish. Are you talking about the number one, or are you comparing two?
I am taking the most.
Exactly. So it's not necessary to use air.
All right.
What is
So,
the word long? A short adjective or a long adjective?
long
Incorrect.
is
Long adjective is a short adjective.
short adjective.
It's monosyllable, long.
So, how do you say Los Guardianes de la Galaxia?
Guardians of the Galaxy. But no, continue the idea. I don't remember.
I don't remember
Mhm.
the longest movie.
Exactly. Complement.
That I have seen.
Exactly, milady. Very good. Now compare. Which one is compare Titanic versus Pocahontas? Long.
Yes, Titanic is longer than Pocahontas movie.
Oh, yes, milady. Just eliminate movie. Ta-da. Easy peasy Japanese, my people. Do you have any question?
Teacher.
Study. Study, study, study. Duolingo. The only person that has Duolingo in this moment is nobody. What's up? Go. Close, see you later, and open Duolingo. Okay, 50 XP. See you tomorrow.
Okay, teacher. See you tomorrow.
See you, teacher.
Bye.
Thank
See
you.
you.
Good
Duolingo,
night.
everybody, eh?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Bye.